Hi, I'm Brennan Raymer. Welcome to the Tulip Experience Center. Today, I'll show how Tulip guides operators through a manual 3D printing changeover process while continually monitoring these printers for actionable insights. On the screen is a queue of completed work orders that are ready to be processed. Let's sort by a printer and select a work order. We can process that request. And here we have some simple work instructions that the operator can follow as they finish the part processing. Now we can start the next print. And here on the screen, we can actually report downtime with categorical reasons, such as tooling, and even ask our Frontline Copilot widget questions. Like, let's say we had some layer separation issues here. I can ask our AI Copilot, which has references to all of the formulas documentation, and can generate us a very simple answer that we can read, along with references to where it got that information from. So here we can see it actually was able to answer our question about why prints were coming out with a poor surface quality and give us actionable insights to improve it. Now let's continue the process. Here we could also report defects, or we could just complete the print. So all of this data is being recorded in the background. How many good parts we got, how many defects, all of the downtime. All of those actionable insights can now be sent to a dashboard to generate important metrics like OEE and uptime and downtime of these machines. All of this is surfaced in Tulip Analytics, so we can identify trends and spot bottlenecks early and improve our process.